Hi, I am Raja Pradhan and I am going to give a demo on one of my project that I have developed during my final year of BTech. I have named the project as MeetingZone. MeetingZone is a web conferencing system for online learning and meeting. As you can see, it has the following features: document presentation. With this feature, the presenter can upload any kind of document, for example, PDF, JPEG, PNG, or any PPT, and it will be converted into SWIFT file, that is SWF file, and it will be loaded into the server, and the presenter can present the document. Then it has a feature called shared whiteboard. Using this feature, the presenter can draw any regular geometrical figures like circle, rectangle, square, freehand drawing, and line as well as arrow. So this is a very good online learning tool. Then we have video chatting. So users can use their webcam to have a video chat. Then there is public and private text chatting. This is like any other text chatting. Then we have a shared notepad. The presenter can write the agenda of the meeting, or can write any notes, and those notes will be visible to all the online users in real time. Then we have a module called file sharing, where the presenter can upload any documents of any format, and those documents can be downloaded by the online users from the site. Then we have the online user tracker, which keeps track of all the online user attendees. So before showing all these features in my system, I want to tell you the technologies that I have used to develop this application. On the server side, I have used Red 5 Media Server. It is an open source media streaming server like Adobe Flash Media Server, but it is open source. And on server side, I have used some PHP scripts as well. On the client side, I have used Adobe Flex 4 and ActionScript 3.0. So let me now show you how this application works. As now I have only one system, so I will show the effects by opening two browsers. So this is my first browser, Firefox. As all my servers are installed on the local host, local system, so this URL I have to give, localhost. Okay, so this is the URL for the application, and as this is the demo version of the project, so here there is no need of providing username, username, password, or other credentials. But in the fuller version, we have the registration page and login features, login authentication features as well. But here just you have to provide a nickname or something like that, so that that name will appear on your meeting. So let me log in with a username, let's say Raja. Okay, now it is showing the connection status. This connection status is showing successful. That means now we are successfully connected to Red 5 server and we are good to proceed. So if it will show some kind of problem, then that means we are not connected to Red 5 server, and all the features that I am going to show you will not work. So make sure that this connection status is successful. Okay, now that the connection is successful, so this is the main user interface, very simple user interface. Here you can see when I will click this webcam icon, then it will publish my local video, so it will here my own video will appear. This is the online user tracker module that I have enlisted in the notepad, online user tracker module. So this will enlist all the online users. Here now I am the only online user, so it is showing only one online user, and here it is the timestamp when I have joined the meeting. So let me open up Internet Explorer. Okay, now this is another browser to show you how the real-time synchronization takes place. So I will use two browsers, one is Firefox and one is Explorer, to show you the effects. Let me log in with another username. Let's say I have. Okay, now it is showing the connection is successful. Here you can see now there are two online users, Raja and Saheb, with their corresponding timestamp. Okay, so let's start with the first module, that is document presentation. This is the document presentation area. This is showing the first slide. Here you can see the slide number. This is the first slide, custom made slide, and it has horizontal as well as vertical scroll bar as required. So to show you how this synchronization takes place, let me resize my browsers. Okay, so let's say Raja is the presenter now. So if the presenter changes the slide, then the slide of all the online users will change accordingly. Okay, let me change the slide. Now you can see, now I am in slide number 2. So here also it is showing slide number 2. This is the second user. So if I change it to slide number 3, so here also the slide number is 3. You can see that. Slide number 4. Okay, now you can see it better. Slide number 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there are 7 slides. So this is the last slide. I can go back to slide number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now I am on slide number 1. So this is the document presentation. So all the online users will be synchronized with the slides of the presenter, and this document presentation has hyperlink feature as well. For example, if any of the pages, if they contain any hyperlink, then if we click on that hyperlink, then that particular link will open in a separate tab. So this is document presentation. Then we have shared whiteboard. This is a very cool feature and a very useful, very powerful tool for online learning. Let's see how it works. This is the whiteboard. This is the whiteboard area. Here you can see the tools palette, tools panel. We have pencil using which we can do freehand drawing, rectangle, line, circle, a color picker to choose the fill color, and this is the clear button. When something is drawn on the whiteboard, we can clear them all at a time using this clear button. It is an eraser. And this is the thickness slider. We can change the thickness of the stroke using this thickness slider. Let's see how this works. Again, to show the synchronization effect, let me resize my browsers. Okay, so let me open the whiteboard here also. Okay, so this is, let's say this is the presenter. Okay, so the thickness is set to this, and let me choose one color, and let me draw a circle here. Okay, now you can see the circle appears in the second whiteboard also. So this is completely real time. Let me draw something. Let me change the color. Okay, this is freehand drawing. Let me write something here. Okay, I can erase everything from here, so it will get erased from all the users. Likewise, I can draw rectangle here. That rectangle will appear in all the users. Line, this is line. We can draw line, arrow, whatever we like. Okay, all kind of drawings. We can change the thickness and we can draw freehand drawing. Very cool feature and very useful for online training. Okay, so this is the whiteboard, and we can erase everything by clicking on the clear button. So this is the whiteboard module. Now I will show the video chat at the last. Let's see this public and private text chat. Okay, so again let me resize my browsers. Okay, here you can see, let me type something. Hello. Okay, now you can see that the message appears on the second browser as well. So let this user type something. Hi. So this appears here as well. So this is like any other text chatting, but it has got hyperlink feature as well. Let me show that feature. Let's say I have typed one hyperlink. Okay, so it will be shown as a link. So you can see the hand cursor appearing here. So when I click on this link will open in a new tab. Let's see. Okay, let it open. Meanwhile, let me show the rest of the features. Here you can select the font type, font size, bold, italics. You can give underline, and you can choose the color, font color as well. Let me type something. Here you can see the font color has changed, and now here you can see the URL link has opened in a new tab. So this is how the public chat works. Here we have private chat as well. Private chat has these features: room 1, room 2, room 3, room 4. So users can join in groups in these rooms, and they can have private chat. So coming to the next module, sad notepad. This is a simple yet very powerful feature. Let me show you how this works. This is the sad notepad. This is a rich text editor. Here you can see we can change the font type, font size, bold, italics, underline, color of the font. Then here some alignment features as well. So to show this how it works, let me again resize my browsers so that we can see the effect. Okay, concentrate on these two browsers. Okay, let me write something. Here you can see as I keep typing O it keeps appearing in the other browser. So it is completely real time. Whatever I type here will appear there in real time. I can change the color. Let's say, let me choose pink color, so you can see the color changes on all the windows. Okay, so I can write anything, so it is completely real time. So the main purpose of this module is that the presenter can write any notes, and he can write the meeting agenda and any other notes if he wants. Then the next feature is file sharing. Okay, let's see how this file sharing works. This is the file sharing window. Here you can see these are some of the uploaded files. Here we have the upload button. So when I click on this upload button, so a pop-up opens. Now I can browse to upload any file from my file system. This will open up an operating system dialog box to choose any of the file that we want to upload. We can choose any file. Now that I have so many files on my server, I don't want to upload it, but this is how upload works. So once uploaded, these files can be downloaded by any of the online users. Let's say I want to download this rbp.pdf. So when I click on this rbp.pdf, it opens a dialog box, operating system dialog box, to save that file at a location. Here I can give the location where I want to save, and if I click on save, that particular file will be saved on my local system. So this is how file sharing works. So the basic purpose of this module is that the presenter can upload any documents that he wants to share with his colleagues or his students, and the corresponding files can be downloaded by the respective users. Then we have this online user tracker that I have shown, online user tracker that enlists all the online attendees. Okay, so video chat is left. Let me show you how this video chat works. Okay, when I click, there are two icons. This is webcam icon and this is microphone icon. So you can control your webcam and microphone through these icons. So when I click now, I am not publishing my webcam. That's why it is showing one red line on top of the webcam icon. So when I click on this, it will ask for permission. This is security permission, that whether I want to allow access to my webcam or not. So I am allowing access. Okay, now you can see this is my video. This is my video, and here you can see this will contain all the online users' thumbnail. Okay, so all the webcam of all the online users will be shown as thumbnails here. So here, click a thumbnail to bring it to the center. So if you want to talk to a particular person, here you can see you have the tooltip as well. So if you want to talk to a particular person, you just have to click on that thumbnail, and that thumbnail will appear on the center. Now you can have a bigger picture of that particular person, and you can talk to him. So this is how video module works. So this covers all our modules. Hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.